Hello friends, welcome to my channel Atanu Khatwa. Today I am discussing about Abu Dhabi T10. After a long time I am back. It's very important how I am back. So little bit ups and down in my life. So I am many more struggling. So but no problem. I am back. It's important for us. So it's my so I am continue my all video from today. I try to cover all the Abu Dhabi T10 series. But first of all, in T10 matches you have to understand the point system. So I go to the point system in Dream 11. So I discuss one by one thing. You have to understand. First of all, you understand the point system. Okay. So here I coming to the batting point system. You can understand that per run you have to get 1 point and boundary bonus plus 1 point. Per 6 you have to get 8 points and per 30 run bonus you have got plus 8 bonus points. So you have to understand that in T20 matches you not getting this 0.8 bonus point, and in 50 run score you have get plus 16 bonus points. So you have to understand that the bonus, which player you get the bonus in the match, it's very crucial. You have to think about that. Okay. And one thing I clear to all, T10 matches is best for Grand League, so you must try in Grand League, and it's will and always try to make your combination by one sided and try to take upper order batsman. Then coming to the bowling section. So bowling section point system will be in 1 wicket 25 points, but 2 wicket bonus here is a 2 wicket bonus here. So if any bowler get 2 wickets then plus 8 points. If any bowler got 3 wickets then plus 16 points, and maiden over plus 16 points. You have to understand that if any team has a good bowling unit, then you have to take all the bowler from this team. Okay, because it's a very short cricket 10 over match. You have to think about the all point, how much you can get your point from your players. Okay, so I then coming to the fielding points. Catch 8 points, stamping run out 12 points. Okay, here you get the running or stamping direct point. Okay, here is no splitting of point in stamping or running. Okay, and run out thrower will be get 6 point, in run out catcher will be good 6 points. So I discuss even other points. Here will be captain vice captain will be same in here playing 11. So now coming to the economy rate, it is the most important thing in T10 matches. Okay, so any bowler have bowling 2 overs in 6 runs per over, then he get 6 plus 6 point bonus. Between 6 to 6.99 per over, then he got 4 point bonus. Between 6 to 8 runs per over, he got 2 runs plus 2 bonus. So you have to understand the economy rate in T20 matches. Okay, if you understand this economy for per over, and you have choose the bowler as captain, there will be good differential point. Okay, then coming to the, if any bowler get run per over 11 to 12, yes, in T20 match what happens, there will be economy rate measure between 2 overs, but here economy rate measure in 1 over. So you have to understand between 11 and 12 overs minus 2, between 12.1 to 13 per over minus 4, and above 13 minus 6. So you have to understand that. Okay, so one by one I discuss everything. Now I coming to my Abu Dhabi T10 stats. Okay, here I coming into the my total articles what I give written here. So Abu Dhabi T10 first match, Venus Sayakzada Stadium, and it's a good pitch batting. In Abu Dhabi always they are try to score big, so the pitch will be similar. So for good batting pitch. Okay, now coming to one thing I clear to all, Maratha Ravens is the last year championship, and Northern Warriors are the runners up. But in this year Maratha Ravens total squad will be changed, and Northern Warriors will be some changing. Okay, but Northern Warriors a big punt, and Russell will be rolled out from the team, so it's a big challenging. But Maratha Ravens was the last time champion team, and Northern Warriors runners up. So here is the T10 match. You not understand the what is happening in 10 overs. So you have to understand, you have to choose the upper order batsman. Okay, after lineup coming, we got the proper lineup in the batting order. So I discuss, then I giving the total batting order in my Telegram channel. Those who are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel. After subscribe, don't forget to press the bell icon. Okay, so here I coming to the Maratha Arabians full squad and stat. So here I covered one by one stat. Okay, Sohaib Malik, you all know about Sohaib. He played 116 match and he is a all batting all rounder. So you can go through. Then coming to Amjad Khan. So here I cover all the player stat. What is the important to cover all the player stat one by one? Yes, there is some new players added into the squad. They are totally new and others players have less knowledge about that player. So I have covered all the players. Okay, one you can go through one by one. Like Isan Malhotra, nobody was known about Isan Malhotra. Then coming to two players I don't get any stats like Syed Haidar and Maru Merchant, but one like Abdul Sakhar. Okay, so here is, so you have to understand all the stats and the players name one by one. I discuss here everything. Okay, so I come to the Northern Warriors full stats plus information. So Northern Warriors, this time the Andre Russell will be ruled out from the series. So Owen Parnell coming to replace him, but their main squad will be Fabian Allen, Brandon King, Wahab Riaz, Lyndon Simmons, Roman Powell, Riyad Emrid, Wahid Ahmed, Anas Tandon, Mahesh Thakisana, and Nawan Pradeep, Junior Siddiq, Amir Amin, and Nicholas. Very strong side this time, and Nicholas Pradeep distracting in T20 matches. But you have to understand, if the opening order playing the total runs, then Nicholas Pradeep is useless. So all players taking Nicholas Pradeep, many of you making captain also. But if you have to understand, they have good bowling side like Junior Siddiqui, Nawan Pradeep, Riyad Emrid. So if the bowler will be work and the opponent team will just score 60 to 70 runs, then no chance to getting batting from Nicholas Pradeep. So you have to understand that's logic also. Okay, so I covered all the stats, and I in my YouTube description box I am giving the article links. You will go through this also. Those okay. Here most important thing in my special tip section that I discuss every. Okay, this is different my video from others. What my special tip section, those who follow me from pandemic situation, they all know my tips. Okay, so here is less tips, but I want 2 to 3 points I have to discuss here. That always try to cover the upper order. I mean, when I start my video, I always talking about to try to upper order batsman, try to upper. Why I am talking about that? I am talking about so that you can try to upper order batsman. Here is only 10 over match. So if the upper order batsman play 5 to 6 over and scored the 30 40 both the batsman, it's enough. Here 30 runs, he have got bonus. Per 4 and 6 he got bonus. So if you try them upper order batsman, if you miss any upper order batsman and opponent have the batsman, then it's a big difference. So you have to always must take upper order batsman. And if the team is strong, then obviously try upper order batsman and captain vice captain. Okay, so this is the big logic in T10 matches. If you think the opponent team is weaker and this team is stronger, then you an opponent weaker team getting batting, then must try captain vice captain from bowling section. In T10 matches there will be different, totally different from T10, T20 and ODI also. Okay, you have to understand the logic in T10 matches. Then coming to the, if you think about the European T10, not like that this T10. Okay. So then coming to my, it's a very short format cricket, and so try to make your team one side. Obviously it's a very short format team. No matches will held in a both side. If you follow all the matches, then you understand the 50 to 60% matches going one sided. Okay, then why the Ahmed, he play must be a good defense player. Many people leave him, but he is a good batting and bowling all rounder. Okay, why the Ahmed, he play, then must try in your team. It's a best match for Grand League. I don't give here any tips for player, but I given tips for the full match. You have to understand every match. is a best match for Grand League. Why? Nobody have the proper knowledge about T10 matches. So, okay, so you have to understand that. And one player I have to Wahid Mohammed later added into the squad. So he is a good hitter of the bowler. So you can try him in a Grand League also. So here I covering my base team. I making base team in. I cover 7 players of the northern teams, and I making to captain vice captain from the Marathas Diamonds. Why I am making this? There are some logic. Why? Shoaib Malik and I hope Shoaib Malik and Mohammad Hafiz both are strong player and both a good economy of batting bowling also, and they both contribution with batting bowling. So if they score 30 runs only and also get 1 wicket, it's enough for the okay. So I make them. But after coming lineup, I will giving my final team in my Telegram channel. Those who are new in my channel, please join my Telegram channel. Link in the description. So here I covered all the stats. Those who not getting understand my stat, I giving my article link in my description. So you will go through this. And one thing I forgot to discuss here. So those who are preparing for aptitude test and UPSC exam, also WBCS exam, I given some link for good books in my description. You can check this out. So so if you like my video, please share my video. After all, I am come back into this platform again and again. I trying to give my best. It's all about your support and love. So thanks for watching this video. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.